Why give away free air conditioners? You may have heard our ad on the radio or seen this as a paid promotion on YouTube. The simple reason is we want you to get to know us. When I first stopped being Daikin's factory trainer and system commissioner, I had 150 job offers by the end of the weekend. And I came to work here for a few different reasons. One was because when I'd show up to actually commission the jobs were done correct, which for me is vital because the vast majority of heating and air conditioning systems are done wrong. But I'll never forget Dustin, one of the guys that is our commercial project manager. He called me up one day and he said they needed help on a project. They couldn't figure out what the problem is. So I went over there, and although I definitely wasn't required to with my job because I could have left at 5 o'clock and nobody would have complained. We stayed until 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning trying to figure out what was wrong with this system. Went home, slept for a couple hours, came back. By like 8:30 in the morning, we'd figured it out. We all got back there at about 7 a.m. and we got this customer taken care of. Everyone went above and beyond. None of us were truly required to do this, but that's the type of people we are. That's the type of people that I wanted to work with. And that's why I came on board with At Your Service Pros. The first AC that we're gonna give away to anyone who goes onto our YouTube, subscribes, and comments on any one of our videos. Doesn't matter which one, you can comment whatever you like. It can be as simple as putting in a period. It can tell me that you love my new beard or you absolutely hate my new beard. I have thick skin, so it won't matter at all to me. And then the second AC that we're giving away, you're going to be able to nominate someone. So your comment on the YouTube channel can be something as simple as, hey, I sent my nomination. Because all you'll have to do is either go to our website, there's a form right on the website you can fill out with their information, their story, or you can just email us at office@healthywaterandairutah.com and nominate who you want to win this air conditioner. Because we like being able to help people. Generally, we don't advertise about it. Like right now, we're scheduling to go out and improve the air and water quality for a little girl who is going to, or actually she already received her heart. So she's gotten a heart transplant, but as she comes back, she's gonna have a weakened immune system. And we wanna make sure that this can go as effectively as possible. And so we are going in and improving both her air and water quality because we want her to have the best chance to live a long and healthy life. We want you guys to nominate anyone. It can be, the single mom struggling with her kids. I grew up in a one-parent home. It can be whoever you want it to be, but go in and nominate them. And if you comment on the video and you win, you can even just give the air conditioner that you win to them. And this works out incredibly well because we've gotten our vendors to participate in this. Even one of our vendors that we don't do a huge amount of work with, like Lennox, has offered to give us a free air conditioning system as well. Goodman, granted, I was Daikin's factory trainer. Daikin and Goodman are all made in the same factory in Texas. And so they have offered to give us free air conditioners as well. We want to make sure that we are taking care of the people who have the greatest need and are the most deserving family. So go on, nominate someone, fill out the form, send us the email, whatever works best for you. If you don't use those, call into the office. My people in the office will write down their story. Granted, they do not have the ability to make them win, so don't try to convince them of who the winner is, but let us know who is in need, who we can help, so that we can go and help them. We're truly doing this because we want to let you guys get to know us. We're one of the few family-owned businesses left in Utah. We're one of the few businesses that truly prides ourselves on quality, on taking care of our customer and being a part of the community that we serve. So if you haven't already, like Healthy Water and Air's YouTube channel, comment on one of the videos and nominate somebody that you know that deserves a new air conditioner.